In the vast ocean of opportunities, 14 side hustles are making waves in 2024. Side hustles are like hidden treasure chests waiting to be discovered. They offer a chance to earn extra income, explore new fields, and even turn a passion into a paycheck. From the digital realm to hands-on tasks, there's a world of diversity in the side hustle market. Some are making a splash, reeling in millions each year, while others provide a steady stream of supplemental income. There are even some lesser-known hustles that might surprise you with their potential. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting to dip your toes into the waters of self-employment, these side hustles are worth exploring. They offer a chance to navigate your own course, charting a path towards financial independence. So, hoist the sails and prepare to embark on a journey towards financial independence. First on our horizon is the TikTok NPC gig, a peculiar yet profitable venture. Now, you might be asking, what on earth is a TikTok NPC gig? Well, imagine a live stream where creators perform specific actions requested by their audience. Sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. People are willing to pay for this. Influencers like Pink Doll are making millions, earning thousands per stream. It's a side hustle that requires patience, repetition, and a bit of thick skin, but the rewards can be immense. Next, let's set sail towards shoe flipping. This method, a classic example of the buy low, sell high strategy, can give you a hefty return on your investment, particularly if you're well versed in the world of sneakers. The market for sneaker flipping is vast, with enthusiasts making a pretty penny from their knowledge and keen eye for a good deal. Then we have YouTube tutorial creation. If you have a specific skill or knowledge that others might find useful, why not share it with the world? By creating focused, niche-specific tutorial content, you can earn substantial ad revenue. It may even open up avenues for product sales or affiliate marketing. There are many success stories out there of people making six-figure incomes per month from this. Our next port of call is Amazon Flex. By delivering packages for this retail giant, you can earn a decent income. The amount you make varies according to location, but it's a legitimate side hustle that can bring in some extra cash. Now, let's talk about the mobile car washing business, also known as the walk-in car wash. This hustle caters to those who value convenience. Offering on-the-spot car detailing for busy individuals can rack up impressive earnings, as shown by success stories like Randy Roblero's. Writing articles online is another potential treasure chest. If you're a skilled wordsmith, especially in a particular niche, you can provide valuable content tailored to a specific audience and command higher rates. It's a solid way to build an income stream. Ever considered starting a podcast? This long-term opportunity allows you to create evergreen content and grow a loyal audience. While it may take time to monetize, the payoff can be substantial. Launching a newsletter, whether paid or free, is another interesting venture. This platform allows you to share curated content and monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or product sales. Let's not forget about digital marketing services. With the right skills and strategy, you can provide solutions for businesses looking to establish an online presence. The demand for these services is high, making it a lucrative field to explore. Specialized photography can also yield impressive returns. By focusing on niche areas like YouTube thumbnail creation, you can set yourself apart and attract high-paying clients. Resume reviewing or offering resume writing services is another potential side hustle. With the job market's perennial need for polished applications, specializing in specific industries can allow you to provide targeted and effective assistance. For the creatives out there, crafting handmade goods can be a rewarding side hustle. Whether sold locally or online, these products offer a personal touch that resonates with customers. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for these artisanal products, with many success stories to inspire you. Landscaping services, including lawn maintenance and yard beautification, cater to homeowners seeking professional upkeep. While it requires physical labor, it can be a highly profitable venture, particularly in affluent neighborhoods. Finally, there's TaskRabbit, a platform where you can complete various tasks for clients, from moving assistance to home repairs. It's a flexible side hustle that allows you to use your skills to earn extra income. As we navigate through these diverse opportunities, remember that each side hustle requires dedication and patience, but with the right attitude and perseverance, Who knows? You might just find your treasure chest in the vast sea of side hustles. Having charted the vast sea of side hustles, it's clear that the potential for financial growth is immense. From TikTok NPC gigs to shoe flipping, each hustle presents a unique opportunity to turn a profit. Let's not forget the power of YouTube tutorials and the convenience of Amazon Flex. The walking car wash, writing articles and podcasting each have their own charm and potential for high returns. Launching a newsletter, offering digital marketing services and photography are all excellent ways to tap into your creative side while earning. Resume reviewing, crafting handmade goods, landscaping, and using platforms like TaskRabbit all offer flexible avenues to increase your income. The beauty of these side hustles lies in their diversity and flexibility. They cater to a wide range of skills and interests, allowing you to find something that truly resonates with you. Remember, every successful journey begins with a single step. Start exploring these side hustles today, and who knows where the tide might take you. As we dock at the end of our journey, it's time to reflect on the treasures we've discovered. 14 unique side hustles, each with its own potential for prosperity. From the peculiar to the practical, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting to be explored. Remember, the world of entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart. It requires diligence, creativity, and a dash of boldness. But the rewards? They're as vast as the open sea. So set your compass, chart your course, and dive into the depths of these ventures. Do your own research, find the hustle that resonates with you, and set sail towards your financial freedom. The horizon is waiting, and it's brimming with possibilities. Don't let fear anchor you in place. The tide is high and the winds are favorable. It's time to hoist your sails and embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to show some love by gently tapping that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas. Until our next adventure, fair winds and following seas, mates.